Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We're opening the next LEGO Friends Heart box today. This is very exciting. Who is it going to be? It's going to be Emma! I already knew that actually because I had that prepared, so I knew. But you didn't know, but now everybody knows. It's time to open it up for Emma. So let's see what we've got in here. Make sure we got everything out of the box. Got the instructions, that's very important. And we have also got, this is very important too, we've got Emma. So here are her legs and here's her torso. She's wearing one of my favorite outfits, though Emma has a lot of outfits that are my favorites. I really like Emma's style. So we have got Emma ready to go. She has got a bow for her hair included in this set. There we go. Now she is perfectly frocked up. Let's see what else she has got included in this set. She comes with a pen so that she can draw in the Emma colours, and she's got her little picture that she actually drew of Chico. Actually, is that Chico? Yes, pretty sure that's Chico. This picture actually came in she drew it for the birthday party set. So it's nice to have another little print of this. Such a cute picture. She also has got her scissors. So she is equipped for all manner of crafts. And she has got a cupcake because all of the girls have got something to nom on while they're hanging out in their boxes. This is really good. And she's got a camera so that she can take pictures of everything she sees. So she is fully equipped with just so many things to keep her occupied while she's hanging out in her heart box. But of course we have to build that heart box. So Emma colours, the base plate here is purple. I've already mentioned before how much I love all these smooth pieces and these little quarter pie pieces. They are so useful and so cool. And we have just made a wonderful heart shaped for the base, for the actual shape of the box, just like we did for the other ones, but it never fails to excite me because it's really, really cool. And we're using the curved pieces to make the edges, to go all the way around the edges, and a single piece in here to finish off the end. And now we layer the next part, the next level up, make it a proper depth for the box, so there's actually enough room in there, enough depth in there to be able to put things like Emma and anything else we want to store in there. It's a really good little travel kit, or just, I think you can use it for your jewelry. You can use it for your special Lego things that you really don't want to lose, like those really important accessories. So this is cool. There is the base of the heart Lego box. Emma's falling in, but she fits perfectly in there, so that'll be good. Now we need a lid to prevent everything from falling out. So the lid also has got a heart shape, obviously, but this has got Emma's little print on it there with a paintbrush on it, so we know that this one belongs to Emma. Not that there was ever going to be any doubt about that because it is, well, it's all in Emma's colours. No one was going to mistake who this one belongs to. Some more smooth pieces over here. And as you can see, there is a stud there that we can actually display Emma on the top, or she can stand on the flowers, or whatever you want. You can set up a whole scene on these. So versatile, so much fun, so cute, so collectible. These little pieces underneath make sure that it is guided correctly onto the base of the box. And the box is ready. That was super fast, wasn't it? I think I'm getting pretty good at these. So you can use it as a little display, heart-shaped display. The girls stand up perfectly. They fit in there so perfectly. We can put all the rest of her detritus in here too. Cupcake up on the top, maybe not. Well, she could sit up here. She could sit up there in the lee of her heart. Is that right? And we could put the picture up here as well. We could make the cutest little scene. I think I'm going to have to add some more things to these to make a bit more of a scene, but we haven't actually finished quite the build because we do need the display stand, which is so simple and so effective. Let's just make sure it all works, even though I know from previous experience that it should work nicely. And Emma can hang out up here right at the top of the heart. I'm loving these. Have you collected any of these boxes yet? They're actually really affordable, and for the number of pieces you get in them, they're great value. And like I said, I love all those smooth pieces. They're so useful for lots and lots of other custom things. So we've got Emma's box ready now. Let's do some stackery whackering. No, hold on. Stickery stackering? I don't know, we'll just stack them. Look at how beautifully they stack. Stack and pack them. Except that doesn't really... I'm sure that big one, the big one with all of the costumes in it, the friendship box, I'm sure that should stack. I love the cute little one too. That's so cute. These are adorable. They look so good when they're all stacked. And the girls can use them as a tower to climb. In fact, they look like a mini heart-shaped apartment building. Or am I just kind of making that up? Because I really, really want an apartment building for the Lego friends. How cool would that be? Okay, we've still got 2 more boxes to go. We've got Stephanie's and Olivia's. Even though Olivia came in the friendship set with Vicky, Olivia has her own box too. So more heart-shaped boxes to add to our collection, which is so cool. So make sure you subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you for the next build very, very soon. So I'll see you then. Bye.